Hey everybody, Pineapple Dan here, coming to you from Niagara Tropics. Here we are, January 6th, 2024. Just floating around the freezing point here at around 0 degrees Celsius or 32. Anyhow, many of you were asking about the needle palm. You probably saw it in a previous video where, I explained how I wrap it. Well, here it is. Again, nothing magic here, no heat. No special measures taken, unlike a windmill palm where you have to put a little bit more thought into it and whatnot. However, here we go with the needle palm. They are very hardy here in this region. We just really cage wrap it with a bunch of dry leaves. This winter, obviously, if we do get some snow, it will compact the leaves down and certainly flatten it out a little bit. But in the end, the palm is quite happy. The leaves are just there to keep more of an air lock on the trunk itself, but I'm even not sure if we need this at all. But this thing has been buried under snow before, and it's come back looking exactly like it is. No ifs, ands, or buts. So anyhow, there you have it. But that's how we wrap a needle palm in Niagara.